Okay, walking in the door again. And he's crazy. Because he had a beer, I think. I'll fix that later.
Let's look at my
Well, it's clean. Goodbye. Hiya, Kamu.
Hi,
So,
hello.
what you doing now?
I'm taking pictures now.
Oh, could you show us some of your kung fu moves? Get it? Kung fu moves. You have your kung fu moves.
Who wants to go on the camera?
Hi, Tutu.
Hi, honey.
Bye, Tutu.
Bye, dear.
Hi.
Hi, hello.
Oh, remember that? Akamu? Remember the show?
What?
Here, I'll show you it.
I see it on the camera.
Oh, did you see me? I was dancing. Yes, I know. Now let's go to my uncle.
Let me see that.
Bye.
I want to see that.